Okay, guys, it's 8:50.
It's 9.
Yeah, I saw it right when I made the video. It's 9 o'clock. But anyways, guys, I have a tier list that I want to make, and I'm gonna put Advo below, and I'm gonna make an F tier because why not?
Yeah, why not? If you need me to, I can help you.
Wasn't it like cyan or blue?
I'm pretty sure it's cyan. Like that. Yeah, totally cyan.
It's totally the color of the rainbow. If it's not the color of the rainbow, I don't know what is.
F. Now let's begin. You already know, man.
Junior.
C.
He's a C. So average. Donkey Kong.
We hate him, but we like him, like Junior. Donkey Kong's kind of like a A, B.
Yeah.
Like a B, maybe. I don't know. A. Do A.
He's too innocent.
Yeah.
Diddy Kong is an F. Literally, his face is so ugly. Nobody in the whole Mario series likes him.
Oh, God. That Koopa Troopa scares me.
Yeah, you're also going.
Koopa can go to, like, C or D still.
No, Koopa should go to B. He's much better than Junior and cooler than Junior.
Yeah.
Even though in the...
Pauline! Why? Why did they have to add Pauline?
Okay, Diddy Kong... No, Pauline is worst. I can literally... That is bad outline cut. That is bad outline. They just freaked up on that.
They literally made it so it like blends in with Diddy Kong. They literally made Pauline like that.
It kind of looks like his arm.
That looks like the dude's arm that plays like the saxophone.
Yeah, I know, that's a thing. Anyways, Kamek is much cooler than anybody, and it's not a cool tier list. It's a Mario Kart tier list. Sorry. Anyways, yeah. So yeah, we're gonna have to
slapping you.
All right, Goomba. He has no arms.
He's going to at least a B.
He's average, above average.
Okay, Mario and Luigi are instant S tiers.
Much better. Luigi's more popular, so I guess Luigi could go in front.
That is why Luigi's number 1. Now they gotta make Michael Jackson songs of Luigi being number 1.
Shut up.
Gonna dance with Luigi on the floor.
Anyways,
gonna dance with Luigi.
I feel fat because I can barely breathe.
No.
Alright!
Mario's gonna die from his birth. Well, Bowser killing him too many times, but he has infinite lives.
Alright, Shy Guy!
So Mario has to die from his age.
Shy Guy's B. So B.
And Nintendo ends it off by killing Mario in a game.
Yeah, I'm about that. Hammer Bro. Hammer Bro is A. Like, A. Nothing but an A. Now, Rosalina. Okay, that's ugly. Never mind. F tier. JK. Y'all probably above average.
Improving.
Shut the door.
Shut the door.
Shut the door! I just said shut the door and you did not.
Oh. But you didn't tell me to lock it?
Okay, PD
I
Piranha.
just did so.
PD Piranha is a gay.
You gotta tell them how I did the Squid Game, kind of, in real life. I gave myself a second chance, though. And I did it.
Alright, Boo is
umbrella is just
King Boo, because I can see that crown. They tried to block it. Can you stop? You're distracting me. Is an A tier. Now, Lakitu and all the enemies are deer. Deer. Yeah, deer. Where is it?
But Piranha's
Oh, wait, they didn't forget Lemmy. Oh,
Piranha's my guy.
Larry.
Smash.
Wait a second. That's so ripped off of Smash Bros. Is that what you reminded you to say that?
No.
Oh. A story, but okay, I'm done. Dude. That you're just like
I looked at an A and thought of a smash ball. Now it would be more weird if I said I looked at an L and thought of a smash ball.
never say that again.
I know.
All the Koopalings, unfortunately.
I need to go pee. Well, we can play Among Us on that phone now, so I'm unfollowing the Wi-Fi, so make your profile as I go to the bathroom.
Yeah. Roy and Wendy are an F. Alright, well, Lemmy's an A tier. Larry's an A tier. Ludwig is an S. Sorry, I'm sipping on it too much. And Iggy, A. Now you have one row left. If I just put one person there, it'll be this. Anyways, Toadette. Same as average. I mean, you might want to put the duets together, but the thing is that Toadette gives you more directions. In Mario Maker 2, story mode, she's like, "Oh, you have this. You don't have enough coins to buy. We'll make the pizza castle bigger. This, not this." They wanted this. Alright, guys. This is how Mario was when they hit the button. I'm sipping on it too much. Okay, that's not really. But look, this is Mario. Literally running in circles. And then the dog. Mario could have went. Dude, out the window. And guess what? They act like it's a big deal and they make the castle again. How do you think that would end? Not too good. Because guess what? Guess what? You know what happened? They built it back, but with coins. How did they build it back with coins? How? How? And guess what, guys? And guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? The worst part is you need coins. You need coins. Like, how are you supposed to get coins from levels? Wait, how does Toad have the coins? Every time you beat like a level or something, a level or something, a level or something. I'm about to be Majani Sonic.
My hands look like an SCP. I feel like a SCP or Roblox player just looking at that camera. My fingers feel like they're made out of rubber when I do that.
I feel weird. I feel like my teacher's watching or something.
My hands feel like rubber.
Yoshi isn't. Wait a second.
Hold on.
Is Yoshi doing it? Yeah. Yo. Nah. This is sus. This Yoshi image is sus. It's him doing. It's like him putting his hands in somebody's hips, and then he's looking back, and he's still. Is this sus?
Everyone told me to go to bed,
Is this sus?
so I can't feel the rubber.
Is this sus?
Yes.
Exactly.
I feel like Yoshi's gay. Yoshi's always looking at his butt for some reason.
Mm-hmm.
You go in Mario Party 10, he's looking at his butt. You go in the new Mario Party, Yoshi's looking at his butt. Mario Party 10. What was that game called? I forgot.
Mario Party 10? Mario Party 9?
Yeah, Mario Party 9. I think. No. It was Mario.
Toad was having a seizure in Mario Party 9.
I know. Toad was just having a seizure. Like, he was just sitting there having a heart attack on the floor. Like, someone help me! Oh, God! And everyone else is just like, I don't give up. And then Yoshi's sitting there in third place, looking at his butt. In the Mario Party that we have for our Switch, what is that called?
Mario Party. Just Super Mario Party.
Oh, yeah. In the Super Mario Party, he was looking at his butt. In the games, he looks at his butt. On every single Mario Party game, he looks at his butt, except for like in the N64.
He's probably looking at his butt in the egg.
He looks at his butt in the mirror. He looks at his butt on video games. He looks at his butt for no reason. He looks at his...
Wait, other enemies are at D.
But now we gotta draw Bowser's Japanese brother.
Guess what? Luigi, Mario, Kamek, Piranha Plant, Toad, Ludwig, Bowser, Baby Mario, Baby Luigi, that looks so funny, apparently, and Metal Mario are all in S. A, Donkey Kong, Hammer Bro, PD, Piranha, Big Blue, okay, King Boo, Lemmy, Larry, Morton, and Icky are at A tier. B tier is Goomba, Dry Bones, Koopa Troopa, and Rosalina. C is Junior, Toad, and Daisy. I don't know all their names. I mean, I know all their names, but it's just too hard to say. Okay. Mario, Luigi, come on. I can't even do Piranha Plant. Mario, Luigi, Piranha Plant. Wait.
Mario, Luigi, Piranha Plant. Piranha Plant.
Piranha Plant. The lowest D. The lowest group, the D. Shy Guy, Lakitu, and F. It's a bunch of people, which is tied with S with the most people. Diddy Kong, Pauline, Roy, Windy. I was about to say Windy. Witty for a second.
Witty.
Imagine erasing the W and putting a T. Wait, what? Twitty. Oh, wait, I just said it. Anyways, Peach, Yoshi, which is
You're right, they did just do that. But added a W at the beginning. Where's my money back for buying that witty mod? We want our money back. Give us our money.
Birdo, Wario, Waluigi, and
God, you want
Gardner,
your money,
Peach.
you have to die for it. If you want money, you gotta die for it. You sent me to my real home, heaven. This is where I belong. Not in this.
Anyways, yeah.
Not so peaceful.
I'll see you later.
Or probably even next episode.
We don't know. I might be sick and I'm uploading a video. He might be making a video without me knowing that he is. Anyways, speak for them for a minute or two.
Random video 1.
Alright,
We
guys.
give them the random video 1 week.
Yeah.
Sing the song.
Random video 1.
Starting back is fun. Random video 1. Starting back is fun.
No, it's really not, guys. Y'all get the joke.
Okay, yeah.